Hello everyone, welcome to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to show you how to make mayonnaise at home using 3 different types of eggs. The first one is an original mayonnaise using chicken egg. The second one is an Asian fusion mayonnaise using quail eggs. And the third one is a tropical fusion mayonnaise using duck eggs. Now, let's get started. For our first mayonnaise, we are using the chicken egg. We're going to start off by adding the chicken egg to the blender. Followed by 2 tablespoons of vinegar, a half teaspoon sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon dry prepared mustard, a half teaspoon salt, and a dash of paprika. Up next, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of the oil, and now we are ready to do the blending process. We're going to set the blender to blend. And we are going to slowly add 3/4 cups of oil. As you can see, it's starting to thicken. We can now stop the blender. And now you have mayonnaise. Up next, we have quail egg. It takes 7 quail eggs to equal 1 chicken egg. For the quail eggs, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, a dash of cayenne pepper for a little bit of heat, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon prepared mustard, and a half teaspoon pink salt. And again, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil, and now we are ready to blend. Again, we press blend. This time we have reduced the oil by 1 tablespoon, and we're going to pour in the remaining 3/4 cups of oil. And we can stop the blender. And now we have a beautiful Asian fusion mayonnaise. Finally, we have the duck egg. We start again by adding the egg to the blender. Followed by 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon dry prepared mustard, half teaspoon salt, and a dash of white pepper. For the oil, we are using a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and now we are ready to blend. Once again, we press blend, and we're going to slowly add 3/4 cups of coconut oil. This will give us a mayonnaise that is perfect for a sweet dish. And there you have a duck egg mayonnaise. And that's how you make 3 different types of mayonnaise at home using 3 different types of eggs. Hope you enjoy our recipes, and if you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.